Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI. Are you looking for something to protect that beautiful new air conditioner investment that you just made, like I was? Then you have to check out this Cosfly air conditioning cover. This cover is made of a durable polyester and is waterproof. In just 3 days, we went from hot, sunny to rain to snow and freezing temperatures. And during that entire time, my air conditioner had the perfect amount of protection. Nothing went inside of it. I didn't have to worry about debris or water getting inside of it to damage it, but it was really protected by this cover. I also like that I could adjust the tightness of the bottom of the cover and the sides, but it also had a little slit in the back that allowed any wires and connections to go through the cover, but also have a Velcro area around it that really has a snug fit and keeps it protected. The product page suggested ordering a little bit larger than your air conditioner, so that's what I went with. I went with the next closest size. So if you're looking for one for your air conditioner, make sure you just check out the correct measurements to make sure you get the right size to fit your air conditioner properly. Sometimes you can tell a material is not going to last through the winter or the weather, but with this one, I am fully confident it's going to last many winters, even in this Midwest weather. The material is top-notch quality, honestly. If you're looking for a well-made quality air conditioning cover, I would 100% recommend checking out this one from Cosfly, but that's just my point of view.